So you might be in a situation where My AI is still not showing up on Snapchat for you. Now, this is a very common thing. It's going to be only more common as more and more people try to get into it. So to first access My AI, you want to open up your Snapchat application and you want to swipe to the side and you should be able to see the My AI person basically right up here. It should be probably the first thing that comes up. If it's not there for you, well, then that basically means you don't have it. I have a photo of it. I still don't even have it on my personal phone or even on this other Snapchat account that I have, which is like a public account. You can see that My AI was like number one up here. So you just want to go and search for it. Now, you can also search for the person's name, like if you click here and you can search for chat. If you search up My AI, you can see that if there's nothing that shows up, well, or if it's just like episodes of Snapchat, well, that basically means you basically don't have access for it. So that's another thing you're really just going to have to wait it out there because if you don't see it there, that basically means you don't have it. So to fix that and to basically get it, the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way over to your App Store or Google Play Store and you want to update your Snapchat application. If your Snapchat app is very outdated, like I mean you haven't updated it in a long time, or even if you haven't updated it in like a couple weeks, lots of things change. So just go ahead and update your Snapchat app and chances are that might end up fixing it for you. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that My AI is an ongoing feature. It's an ongoing rollout. So not everybody has gotten it just yet. So if you haven't gotten it, just keep in mind you'll end up getting it probably at some point. So you're just going to, again, it's annoying, but you're going to have to wait it out until you get it. So the best thing you can do is to go ahead and just basically go on Snapchat as often as you can and just kind of just check if you end up getting it. Sometimes you might, sometimes you won't. So just keep refreshing the feed. You might end up seeing it. If you still don't get it within like a few days, you can always try reinstalling Snapchat. So just go ahead and delete Snapchat, reinstall it, and that might end up working. To give you kind of a little bit of perspective, when Snapchat releases a new feature, I'm always one of the last people to get it. It's so annoying, including when Snapchat got dark mode, when Snapchat got a few other things. So you're just going to have to kind of wait it out. It's annoying, but that's basically the main thing you can do here. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.